The Beginning Guide to Microsoft Excel 2013. Charts and Chart Tools. Another Computer Mama Guide. A chart represents data as symbols, bars, lines, or slices of a pie. A chart should tell the story of this data as quickly as possible, so that it is easy to figure out and understand. This lesson demonstrates how to create and format a chart with the chart tools. So the ribbons we're going to be focusing on are chart tools and chart design. So if you are ready, please start the program, Microsoft Excel. Item, cost, markup, retail, profit. Those are the labels in row 1. If these are labels, and they are, please go to Home, Font, Bold. Format the data. Column B is accounting. Column C, percentage. Column D and E are accounting. Enter the data. In cell A2, type apples, gift card, basket, bow, box. Enter the cost in column B. $2.50, $10, $3.75, $1, $1.25. Enter the markup in column C. Click on C2 and type 150. You can click on that number and paste it down to all the rest. Retail is a formula. In D2 it equals B2 times C2. Enter. And copy that down as well. Profit is also a formula. It equals D2 minus B2. Enter. Click on E2 and copy that formula down. Add it all up. Click on B7 and go to Home, Editing, Auto Sum. Click again on B7 and add a top border. Click on D7, Auto Sum, top border, E7, Auto Sum, top border. Creating a chart starts by selecting the range of data. Click on A1 and hold your mouse down to B6. This is our range, A1 through B6. Now go to Insert, Charts, Insert Pie. Hello, Pie Charts and Chart Tools. There are two chart tools, Design and Format. The chart styles are on the Design ribbon. The styles format the shape, the outline, and the fill. Choose Style 8. You can also change the chart colors. There are two types of styles, colorful and monochrome. Watch how the formatting changes in live preview as you run your mouse over the option. Yes, Excel can be fun. When you click on a chart, you should see the chart elements on the right side of the chart. There are 3 chart elements. Chart elements, chart styles, chart filters. Try it. Click on Chart Styles, and what do you see? There are 2 tabs, Style and Color. These match what we saw at the ribbon on the top. That's a good start. Click on the tab at the bottom and rename the sheet Price Sheet. Add a second sheet and rename that one Salary. We're going to try a different type of chart. Enter the data. In cell A1, type Department. In cell B1, type Salary. If these are labels, and they are, click on row 1 and go to Home, Bold. Select the Salary column and format that for currency, Home, Number, Accounting. Click on A2 and type Web Designer. B2, 45,000. Click on A3 and type Training. B3, 50,000. A4, Sales. B4, 75,000. Click on A5 and add the label, Sum. Make that bold. Click on B5 and go to Home, Editing, Auto Sum. Finish the formula by clicking on B5 and going to Top Border. Select the range for the new chart. Click on A1 and slide over to B4. Go to Insert, Charts, Recommended Charts. What do you see? A window will prompt you to select a recommended chart. Go ahead and click on the clustered column chart and click OK. Microsoft Excel created a new column chart based on the data we selected in A1 through B4. Let's try this. Apply a chart styles. Go to the Chart Tools Design and click on Chart Style 4. The chart elements are the titles, labels, and shapes in a chart. Let's take a closer look. Go to the chart elements on the right side of the chart and click on Chart Elements. At the bottom, click on Trend Line. Now you see it. Click again on Trend Line. Now you don't. The chart title has two options, Above Chart and Centered Overlay. Try it. Click on Centered Overlay. The title should be centered between the columns instead of above them. The axis shows the unit of measures. A column or bar chart has two axes, primary horizontal axis, that's the categories, and primary vertical axis, that's usually the datas. You can click them on or off. The axis title is a text box, like the text boxes found in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. Double-click the horizontal axis text box and type Department. Double-click the vertical axis title and type Salary in US dollars. The chart data labels display the numbers for each column. Go to Chart Elements, Data Labels. There are several options for center and inside, outside. Click on Data Callout. A data table is another way to convey the information. By default, the data table is placed under the chart. Go to Chart Elements, Data Table. Click on More Options. What do you see? The options include table borders and the outline. You can turn them on or off if you wish. One more chart element. Grid lines can help line up the data, the columns and the bars with the axis. Go to Chart Elements, Grid Lines. The options include major and minor, vertical, and horizontal. Select Primary Major Horizontal. Very good. Now let's format the chart styles. Go to Chart Styles, Styles. Click on Style 1. Click on the tab for Color and choose Monochromatic, Green. I'd like to format the tallest column different. Click once. All of the columns are selected. Click again, and only the last column is selected. Go to Format Data Point on the right and click on File. I would like to insert a picture from File. I'm looking in my sample files and I've double-clicked on a picture of money. Way cool. One more design function that we should consider. You can change this column chart into a different chart type. Go to Chart Tools, Design, Type. Click on Change Chart Type and select a 3D pie. OK. Now add the legend. Go to Chart Elements and click on Legend. The legend should be added to the right of the pie chart. Done and done. This lesson showed how to visualize the data as a chart. Very good. You done good. You get the cookie. This is the Computer Mama, and thank you for coming.